guys, it's Mary. In today's video, I will be doing the anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. This is my take on it, and I hope you all enjoy. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so if you're not following me on there, you should go and do that. Let's just hop into the video. First, I'll be taking the shade Hunts right here.
More yours, all yours, and more yours.
Then I'll take the Morphe M505 brush, and I'll just be using that to blend out because the other brush just has a lot of excess powder. Then I'll be going in with the shade Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette in that charcoal color. I'll be focusing that mainly on my outer corner, and I'm kind of just going to be blending that inwards. Taking the LA Pro Conceal, I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. So this just got cut off, but basically all I did was just blend out the concealer I put on my eyes. I'll be taking this matte corally kind of your hot pink shade.
You'll never know there's a universe inside of you. Can I?
I'll be taking this shade right here, and it's just a sparkly light pink. I'll be taking a silver glitter liner from NYX, putting that along the line of my crease.
Never forever.
And I'll be taking this light cream shimmery color,
It's a place where you could see.
Ardell Natural Wispy Lashes Clear Lash Glue, and I will just be applying the lashes.
We got nothing but.
Now I'll just be priming my face with the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. For foundation, I will be using the Lean Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation.
We're poetry, painting stories with our lips.
For concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'll be putting that under my eyes. Then I'll just be setting my face with a BH Cosmetics powder.
Kiss me.
Then taking the Anastasia Contour Kit and the Morphe M438 Contour Brush. Taking the middle shade and just hollowing out my cheekbones and contouring my face.
I can see everything you will be doing. I can see everything looking at me like you love me.
And taking the Morphe M164 brush, I'll be contouring my nose.
I'm holding on, I'm trying to lose the fear. It's running on.
Taking the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer and the Morphe E59 brush to be applying some bronzer.
Once you give and then you take, you own the end of.
Then taking the Anastasia Glow Kit Sun Dipped, I'll be taking the shade Moonstone right here, and I will be highlighting my face with that shade. Using the Morphe M509 highlighting brush.
And take another life, 'cause you were just a fly.
Lastly, for lips, I will be using the NYX lip liner in Plush Red to line my lips. Then I'll be using the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Seraphine, and I will be using that all over my lips.
Rising like the smoke.
So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and like I said before, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. I'll have all my social media links down below, like my Twitter and Instagram, so you should go follow me on there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.